This is tutorial number 37, and it covers how to use the sketch analysis feature within Catia V5. To start off, open up a new Catia V5 part, and once you've done that, let's go into the sketcher. So click Sketch, and click any of the planes. Now what we're going to do in this tutorial is we're going to be using the sketch analysis tool, and you can find it if you go to Tools and click Sketch Analysis. Now what this is going to do is it's going to take a look at the sketch that you've created and tell you if there's anything wrong, if there's overlapping edges, if there's a space in between a couple of points and whatnot. So this is going to be able to tell you if your sketch is good to go or if you're going to have to go back and make some changes. Now the reasoning behind why you would want to know if your sketch is good and what's going on with it is that when you're using it to create a feature, if you want to extrude, you need to have a closed sketch. So if you have a sketch that's open, then there's something wrong. So to start off, let's make a profile. So let's click Profile, and let's make a profile, and we'll close it up. Now click Tools, click Sketch Analysis, and it's going to tell you the number of curves and the status. So right now it's closed, so that means it's good. And it's going to tell you up here everything passed. Now let's delete this one line here, and let's do the sketch analysis again. So let's click Tools, Sketch Analysis, and it's going to say that it's opened. So it's not that there's anything wrong with this sketch, it's just telling you that this is an open sketch. And with an open sketch, you're not going to be able to extrude or cut. You'd have to use this kind of like as a guide or a path. Now, if you throw, say, a point onto one of these lines, and let's do sketch analysis. Let's click Tools, Sketch Analysis. It's going to tell you that there's an implicit profile. And that's the profile that we have. And it's going to tell you that there's a point that's isolated. Now, you're not going to want that point when you're using a feature. So to get rid of it, all you have to do is click Delete Geometry. Click Delete, and it's gone. And we'll click Closed. And what we're going to do now is we're going to create a very small gap in between a few points. So from that one point, zoom in as far as you can and just try to put it offset just a little bit and then zoom back out. Now run the sketch analysis again. So click Tools, Sketch Analysis, and it's going to tell you again that it's opened. And this time, because it's a very small point, it's going to highlight it in blue. So you know the area that it's in, and you're able to zoom in to see what's going on. So the sketch analysis, it's a great tool because it allows you to, before you go out and try a feature and you're going to get with a feature saying that you can't use this sketch, you're able to check your sketch, make sure it's good, and then make sure that it's meeting the criteria that you want it to be. Now I'm going to show you one more, and we're going to show you that you can have two profiles within the one sketch. So let's delete this sketch here, and let's just draw two circles. And we'll click Tools, Sketch Analysis, and again it's going to show that we have two and they're both closed. So it doesn't have to be just to one specific profile, it's going to show multiple. So everything that's going on in this one sketch, it's going to show. So this tool allows you to check and recheck everything before you put it out into other workbenches to create parts and whatnot. And that concludes our tutorial on how to use the sketch analysis feature within Catia V5.